Hello dear students, welcome to GDC. You can see I have two books in my table. One is your Biochemistry module 4 and another one is your MCQ book, sure short question series. This is a chapter wise and topic wise my MCQ book. This is our recently launched book. This is basically contains your biochemistry, biotechnology and microbiology, and this is a colored book. Along with this is the MCQ part. Whatever the theory that is present in this book, each question is there according to their theory part, as well as the question that is related to the theory part. If I will open this book, see, these modules contains three major subject: biochemistry, biotechnology and microbiology. This module has been prepared according to the latest 𝘂𝙀 syllabus. Not only for the 𝘂𝙀, you can also take this book reference for the other pharma competitive exams like your NIPER, pharmacist, drug inspector, any type of pharma competitive exam if you are preparing. You know the importance of this book. Before going to this book in detail, I will let you know that biochemistry, biotechnology and microbiology, these three subjects are comes under your minor subject, and every year around 8 to 10 questions are asking in 𝘂𝙀 exams. Okay, see, you can see the syllabus of biochemistry: carbohydrate, lipid, amino acids, proteins and amino acid, nucleic acid, enzymes, and your other topics of biochemistry. Next, in biotechnology, what we have covered? In biotechnology, we have covered introduction, plant tissue culture, animal cell culture, fermentation technology, recombinant DNA technology, and proteomics. In microbiology, the basic history of microbiology, prokaryote, eukaryote, microspore, bacteria, virus, fungi, sterilization, aseptic technique, microbial assay and standardization, immunology and vaccine and sera. These are the syllabus prepared according to your 𝘂𝙀 syllabus. So I will tell you how you will read this material effectively. So for suppose we are going to study about carbohydrate. Okay, we are basically going to study about carbohydrate. So this book, how you can refer? So first things, you have to read the theoretical part, like you can see, this is there is the complete introduction about the biochemistry, the term. You can see here the who coined the term. 𝘂𝙬𝙎 Newberg in 1903 coined the term biochemistry, and like the explanation about carbohydrate, like carbohydrates, about their general formula. This question, like this is how you can see this question has been asked in 𝘂𝙀 2023. What is the ratio of hydrogen to carbon? Okay, so if we'll go in the progress, like this is the classification of carbohydrate, like these are comes under types of carbohydrate like monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, like that. This is the uses, you can see uses of carbohydrate, like what are the carbohydrates? They are responsible for the production of energy, these structure components, many organisms like plant exoskeletons and all. After that, you also go for the basic chemistry, that is the stereoisomerism of carbohydrate, how this optical property of carbohydrate rely. I am just giving one example of carbohydrate. Okay, epimers. See, you can see like in 𝘂𝙀 2016 and 23, one question was asked about epimer. About the configuration of D and L, one question was asked about 𝘂𝙀 2020. About the optical activity, one question was asked in 𝘂𝙀 2017. Okay, if we'll go on the basic things like enantiomer and diastereomer, question was asked in repeatedly 2016, 2018 and 2020. Okay, like that you can read. After that, you will go for find out the metabolism part. So how this carbohydrate metabolism takes place, like your TCA cycles, glycolysis. So you can see like glycolysis. In the glycolysis you will find the very best mnemonics to remember this overall glycolysis cycle. This is a Krebs cycle, example of Krebs cycle. This is your example of TCA cycle, glycolysis. There is your mnemonics part. From the mnemonics you can read. Okay, you can also find out in which year the question has been asked. Like this question was asked in GPAT 2000, GPAT 2000, 2000, 2001, 2003, 2016 and 2022. Similarly, from the Krebs cycle question was asked in GPAT 2010, 2022. Okay, so like that you can read. Okay, once you complete this topic, and this is the disease part. What are the disease associated with carbohydrate, like diabetes mellitus, lactose intolerance? This question was asked in GPAT 2003. Fructose intolerance, galactosemia. These are the deficiency of glycogen storage disease. Once you complete this topic, like you have completed the carbohydrate topic, now you come to this book, that is the MCQ part. Okay, so if you will see the MCQ part, yes, this is the topic wise. Okay, now you will find the topic wise explanation of this chapter, carbohydrate C. The general formula of monosaccharide, like CnH2nON, CnH2nON, Cn, which is the right option? Yes, option A, CnH2nON. So you will find out the question, what is the carbohydrate having hydrogen and oxygen ratio? CnH2nON, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. So your option will be 2:1. Like that you can see the detailed question. Around, we can say around 40 questions are there from the carbohydrate. So you can find out the correct answer from this answer section. Where is the answer section? Let me show you. Yes, this is your complete your answer key part. From here you can match your answers. Okay, this is your complete answer section. Okay, this is how you can study this material for the preparation of your GPAT and NIPER examination. Other than that, as we told you, you can also refer this material for other pharma competitive exam, like our pharmacist exam, drug inspector and all. And this book, this is a complete colored book. You will find out very good diagrams, very good mnemonics to remember. Everything is there in this book. No need to go to read the other standard books, different standard books. This is the sufficient for the reading. Other than that, you can also join to our